Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve this problem of derivative. So if x is equal to given, we have to find f dash x at x is equal to e. If x is equal to log of 2, if x is equal to log 2 to the base x, log x, log of log x divided by log of x square. This is equal to log of log x divided by 2 log x. F dash x is equal to 4 log x whole square is here we are getting 2 log x into, for log of log x, 1 by log x into, for this log x, 1 by x minus log of log x into, for 2 log x we are getting 2 by x. So this is equal to 2 by x minus 2 by x into log of 2 by x minus 2 by x into log of log x divided by 4 log x whole square. So as per the given question, we have to find f dash e. So f dash e is equal to 2 by e minus 2 by e log, so log e is 1, so log of 1 divided by 4 into 1 is equal to 2 by e minus 2 by e, so log 1 is 0, 0 divided by 4, so that is equal to 2 by e into 1 by 4, that gives 1 by 2e. So for this problem, option D is correct. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also share it with your friends. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.